Hello, people of God. My name is Joseph Gospel, aka Mole. Yes, I just want to tell you that something is coming up. I'll be releasing a single track titled Anu Mercy, and it's dropping this month by God grace. But I want you to listen to this song and let me see your review in the comment section. So I would love to hear from you because we are releasing the songs this month by God grace. So listen to this song and let me see your review.
Àánú ló gbé mi débí. Àánú ló gbé mi débí. Ọgbọ́n orí mi ò gbé. Àánú ló gbé mi débí. 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 Ọgbọ́n orí mi ò gbé. Àánú ló gbé mi débí. Àánú ló sún mi síwájú. Àánú ló sún mi síwájú. Ọgbọ́n orí mi ò gbé. Àánú ló gbé mi débí. Ọgbọ́n wo mo ní tí mo lè lò? Òye wo mo ní?
So that is the song, and it's more than that. Understand? So I just want you to listen to some of it. Understand? So when the song is dropped, you can check it out, and I believe you'll be blessed with the sound. So what do you see about the song? You can drop it in the comment section. Anu Lugbiwadebi. It is not for God mercy. Kini Abamaso. God bless you as you keep on sharing.